Now I'm starting on my egg roll bowl stuff. I've got a pound of ground pork, some garlic paste, some powdered ginger, and then some of our, where did I put it? Some of our free onion. So that's in there as well. I'm gonna brown this up really good. I've got my mixing chop to get it all in small pieces. And then we'll check back in a second. Alright, while that is finishing sizzling, I'm gonna prep everything else. I have a bag of angel hair coleslaw, green cabbage just shredded. You can certainly shred your own. I was just easier to do this today. Then I have some shredded carrots. I'm gonna use the whole bag of coleslaw and probably a little over half of the bag of carrots. Once this is done browning, you can see she's getting there. I have a little bit of red wine vinegar that I'll throw in, and then I'll do a mix. Well, actually I have rice wine vinegar. Let's do that one. Rice wine vinegar. That, a little bit of soy sauce mixed with a little bit of oyster sauce. This is the key. This, sesame oil, are the key to Asian cooking. I looked up a lot of stuff. What else do we have in here, Asian? I don't want any of that. I have a little bit of sweet and sour. There's my soy sauce down here. When I was looking up recipes, they always seem to mention these two mixed together in a 2-to-1 ratio. So if you're doing a half a cup of soy sauce, do a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is thicker. So we're gonna let this come out of the fridge and come to room temperature so we can get that mixed up. But those mixed together, that's why Chinese food tastes the way it does. That, and then whenever they fry in sesame oil, not regular like canola oil or anything. So we'll show you that all mixed up here in a minute. Okay, so got those in there. I made kind of just like a spiral around the pan with the vinegar and then put a splash of the soy sauce in now as well. And we're gonna turn this down to like a medium low. We're not really looking to cook the vegetables, more just like sweat them out. I don't like it super crunchy, so doing it this way, it makes it a little softer so that I'm more comfortable eating it. But we'll pop a lid on this. I'm gonna stir it up really good. I need 2 hands because the pan's moving. Stir it up really good, pop the lid on, and just let the vegetables sweat down. It's 9:30 now, so I'll let you know how long they go for. All right, this is sweat down for about 10 minutes, and you can see how much softer and stuff it's become. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna give it a little bit more, but I'm gonna add in my sauce. It's just like I said, the oyster sauce to soy sauce, 1 part oyster sauce, 2 parts soy sauce. I got about a little under a cup here altogether. And then we're gonna let that simmer for a little bit. I will put up the Weight Watchers points. I know those sauces are gonna add a lot. The cabbage and the carrots will be 0s, but the sauce is gonna add the points. But then we're gonna let that simmer for a while so the flavors come in, but some of the liquid burns off, boils off, whatever. And then I'll portion that out for lunches. And it's egg roll in a bowl. Okay, so these are sweated down. I put the recipe in my Weight Watchers calculator. With what I did there, I have 6 servings, and it is 7 points a serving, which is more than I thought it was gonna be. So because these are a little bit soft and to vary up the texture a little bit, I have these wonton strips. I won't put them on now because then the juice will soak them up and they won't. Sorry, I was talking about the wonton strips when my phone rang, so the video cut off. The wonton strips I'll either put, I have really tiny Tupperwares or Rubbermaids, whatever, that I'll put those in to keep them separate from the egg roll guts until we actually eat them. That way they don't get soft. But varying up texture is a good way to make sure that you're, I don't know, just it's better, tastes good. You're not gonna get tired of the same food. So I put 2 of those in the fridge and 4 in the freezer. So I'm editing I need to stop starting a video with so. I'm editing the egg roll bowl, or naked egg roll, I'm not sure I'm gonna title it, video quick, and it cuts off at the end. Just because I'm doing too many things. I did like 5 videos and they all kind of overlapped. I'm cutting things, it's just a mess. So for this one, I talked about the Weight Watchers points being the 7 points for the 6 servings because of the ground pork. It freezes really well. That's what I've been eating a couple times for work this week. I think that was just about it. I will have the recipe obviously posted in the comments, as well as some of the Pampered Chef products I used. But I think that's it. Thanks for watching.